Hello, everybody. My name is Nicole and I'm a technical analyst and private investor. Now, I was trying to think which charts to pick for you to see today. And I thought the most important thing is not the charts today, it's the fact that in a week's time, it will be US Thanksgiving, which marks for them certainly the start of the whole holiday season, as they now call it. It's very important to all sorts of people, but I don't think it's going to be what it should be. In terms of markets, what matters is that they will become very thin and subject to sudden moves. This year, more especially so, seeing as central banks control so much of marketable paper, which is stuck in the drawer and is not tradable. So there's very little stock in trade to move around. So do be careful. So I thought I'd look at precious metals, and that's possibly one thing that central banks are not buying at the moment. So my first chart is a daily one of the price of gold. And a lot of people got very, very bullish about this, particularly when we hit a record high earlier this year at $2,072 per ounce. This is spot gold, by the way, not futures or anything like that. It's not exactly bearish, this chart, but it's certainly not bullish. I mean, it's been slipping since August. The November bounce was capped at the 50% retracement resistance level. It's still above 38% long-term retracement support, and it's held in between the 50 and 200-day moving averages. I mean, I really can't see anything exciting, let alone fireworks at year end for this one. So, what about silver? Might that be a little bit better? Now, this is a weekly chart. Again, we've seen triangle consolidation since August. I mean, by the way, this one is nowhere near its record high, okay? So this is very much the poor sibling. The 38% retracement support is holding. The uptrend is under attack, and the 50-day moving average is turning down. I hear that somebody recently got a silver bar as a prize draw. You can also buy online with free delivery from bullion dealers. I mean, they're giving this stuff away. And my third chart is a longer term one. It's monthly platinum. And quite frankly, as you can see, this has been downhill all the way. There has been serious deceleration over the last 5 years, but it's certainly not picking up. And because of the deceleration, the top of the trend channel is being challenged by a sideways move. This sideways move means that we continue to cling around the 200-day moving average. All of the above is not exactly bullish. And then add to the equation, who's going to buy a diesel car today, tomorrow, next year? Therefore, there is no need for catalytic converters anymore. They're gone, obsolete, a bit like the carriage driver's whip. You don't have a carriage, you don't need a whip, do you? Anyway, so there's a lot of hype around precious metals at the moment. I see it. And I would urge extreme caution for serious investors. I'm not convinced that this is where you should be placing your money. So next week it's Thanksgiving, and let's see if I can give thanks with some nice charts for you.